Cameron. She's the author of The Artist's Way, if any of you know that book. It's a really good book. And it's just a couple paragraphs, but I really like. So I want to read it to you guys. It says, "We should write because it is human nature to write. Writing claims our world. It makes it directly and specifically our own. We should write because humans are spiritual beings, and writing is a powerful form of prayer and meditation, connecting us to both our own insights and to a higher and deeper level of inner guidance as well. We should write because writing brings clarity and passion to the act of living. Writing is sensual, experiential, grounding. We should write because writing is good for the soul. We should write because writing yields us a body of work, a felt path through the worlds we live in. We should write above all because we are writers, whether we call ourselves writers or not. The right to write is a birthright, a spiritual dowry that gives us the keys to the kingdom. Higher forces speak through us through writing. Call them inspiration, the muses, angels, God, hunches, intuition, guidance, or simply a good story. Whatever you call them, they connect us to something larger than ourselves and allow us to live with greater vigor and optimism." So I encourage you all to write something, come back here and share it with us. So clap for that. How about that? Clap for writing.
And let's give it up one more time for our lovely hostess, Leanne. Thank you. Louder. Come on, guys.
All right, so someone asked me to read something, and I didn't bring anything new, so I'm just going to read a little something that I printed out. So a few of you, if you were here a couple weeks ago, you might have heard it. So here you go. It's a little something I wrote about life, or some parts of it. This is called The Invitation. "My skin's only desire is to fulfill itself. Each pore a tiny shimmering supernova, detonated synapses, quiet tripwire torpedoes, and you are a flea jump tickle. A needle prick storm of gentle lightning, and oozing ripeness I catch mid-raindrop on my bed sheets, sown of taste buds. I can feel your short circuit 1,200 miles away. Static cling slow burns me to a rare steak. I like to watch the blood spill beneath my hunger. Your faint vibration cracks my atmosphere like a satellite thrown off orbit. I'm flaming fluorescent, crashing into your earth. Blow me like a wish on the wind of my goosebumped valley. Enter me like heaven. Like a throat inhales the air wafting from mama's kitchen. Swallow my innocence. There's a welcome sign in my nucleus. Bed yourself in my magma. Leave your metal in my microwave. Breathe me volatile. Entreat me raw. Expose your pink petition like a toxic dog. Engorge with Gnostic spirits. Avert me like a pile of writhing maggots so I can't shake you. Grab me needy like a leper colony. I promise your memory will burn itself into my rod, so everything I see will be through the shadow of you. Stretch me like a canvas, that my skin may melt like plastic. Give me this one satisfaction."